Let's solve this equation together. It says 100 raised to the power of x is equal to 200. How do we solve this? Now the first thing to do here is that we can state that 100 is equal to 10 to the power of 2, and 200 is equal to 10 to the power of 2 now times 2. Can you see a similarity? So you can see that this is 10 to the power of 2 and 10 to the power of 2, and you're seeing 2 here and you're seeing 2 here. Okay, now let's apply this quickly. We'll substitute 100 for this and substitute 200 for this. So we have 100 to be 10 to the power of 2, and then we have always to the power of x to be equal to 200 is 10 squared times 2. Now, when you have this, you multiply the powers. So we have 10 to the power of 2x to be equal to 10 squared times 2. Let's take the logarithm of both sides. So we have logarithm of 10 to the power of 2x to be equal to logarithm of 10 squared times 2. Alright? Now, moving on, we can now state some laws of logarithm. First one being that logarithm of a times b is equal to logarithm of a multiplied by logarithm of b. Secondly, is equal to logarithm of a to the power of x is equal to x multiplied by logarithm of a. And the third important law in this solving is that logarithm of a over logarithm of b is equal to logarithm of a in base b. Just remember these three laws because they're going to be very crucial in this our solution. Okay. Now moving on, we can now say that this now will be equal to 2x times logarithm of 10. And this one is equal to logarithm of 10 squared plus logarithm of 2. If we divide through by 2 times logarithm of 10 and divide this side by 2 times logarithm of 10, logarithm of 10 strikes logarithm of 10 and 2 strikes 2. So that's equal to logarithm of 10 squared plus logarithm of 2 all over 2 times logarithm of 10. Okay, now this becomes equal to 2 times logarithm of 10 over 2 times logarithm of 10 plus logarithm of 2 over 2 times logarithm of 10. This strikes this so that we have 1 plus 1 over 2 into logarithm of 2 over logarithm of 10. This becomes equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by logarithm of 2 in the base of 10, okay, which is still what we have here. So we have 1 plus half log 2, all right? So that becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.